Namaste everyone. So in this video you are going to learn exercise 14.2 about mode from question number 3 to 6. Now first let us start question number 3. Given the following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the monthly expenditure of the families. Model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. I already told that mode and mean values of the same questions will be different. Already we learned how to find mean in two methods. So in this video I am trying to do only mode. So given expenditure in rupees and number of families. Now let us find out what is a model class. So when you look at the frequency, you can see which is the maximum frequency here. 40 is a maximum frequency. So now 1500 to 2000 becomes the model class. So 24 is F0, 40 is F1, 33 is F2. And 1500 is the lower limit. And class size is 2000 minus 1500 is 500. So note all this F0, F1, F2, L and H. Now mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute the values. L is 1500, F1 is 40, F0 is 24 divided by 2 into F1 is 40 minus F0 is 24 minus F2 is 33 and H is 500. So now 40 minus 24 is 16, 40 into 2 is 80, minus 24 minus 33 is minus 57. So 1500 plus 16 into 500 is 8000 divided by 23. So divide 8000 by 23, we get 347.83 approximately. So add with 1500, we get 1847.83. So conclude the answer. Model monthly expenditure equals to 1847.83 rupees. Learn fourth question. Given the following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in the secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of the data. So given number of students per teacher and number of states. So same as usual, you should find first the model class. So you can see the maximum frequency is 10. So the model class is 30 to 50. So 30 becomes L, 9 is F0, 10 is F1, 3 is F2. And the class size is 25 minus 20 is 5. So note F0, F1, F2, H and L. So mode equals to L plus F1 minus F2 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is what? 30 plus F1 is 10 minus 9 divided by 2 into 10 minus 9 minus 3 into 5. 10 minus 9 is 1 and 20 minus 12. So we get 30 plus 5 by 8. 30 plus 0.625. Add, we get 30.625. So the mode is 30.625. Start fifth question. Given the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of a world in one-day international cricket match. Given runs scored and number of batsmen. So we need to find mode of the data. So first find the model class. Check the maximum frequency. You can see the maximum frequency is 18 here. So the model class is 4000 to 5000. So 4000 will become lower limit and 4 is F0, 18 is F1 and 9 is F2. So note all the F0, F1, F2 and L and H. Note down and write the formula. Mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is what? 4000 plus F1 is 18 minus 4 divided by 2 into 18 minus 4 minus 9 into 1000. So after simplification we get 4,000 plus 14,000 by 23. So divide, we get 608.7 approximately. So add with 4,000, we get 4,608.7. So mode is 4,608.7 approximately. Now the last question of this exercise is sixth question. Given a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarized in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. Given number of cars and frequency. So first let us find the model class. You can see here the frequency of this where it is maximum. The maximum frequency is 20. So 40 to 50 becomes the model class. And L is 40, 12 is F0, 20 is F1, 11 is F2. So note down all F1, F0, F2, L and H. The formula, substitute all the values in the formula. L is 40 plus F1 is 20 minus F0 is 12 divided by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. 40 plus 80 by 40 minus 33. So we get 40 plus 8 tens are 80 by 17. So here also when you divide 80 by 17 we get non-terminating repeating decimal. So round according to your convenient, round up to 1 decimal or 2 decimal. That is 40 plus 4.7. So we get 44.7. So with this we completed the mode concept, that is exercise 14.2. Thank you.